Those horizontal lines on your rear window are not decoration, and they are not ordinary wires hidden deep inside the glass. They form a flat electric heater that clears fog, condensation, and frost so you can see behind the car. The lines are usually made from a silver-based conductive paste that is screen-printed onto the inside surface of the rear glass and then fired during manufacturing. If you gently run a fingernail across them, you may feel the slightly raised grid. When you press the rear defroster button, electricity enters through wider connections at the sides of the window. It then divides across the many thin horizontal tracks. Each track has electrical resistance, meaning it slightly opposes the current flowing through it. That resistance converts electrical energy into heat. The idea is similar to a toaster element, but much cooler and spread across the glass. Instead of glowing red, the tracks warm the rear window just enough to evaporate condensation and loosen frost or thin ice. The lines are horizontal because they can cover most of the viewing area while connecting efficiently between the two side conductors. They are also arranged in parallel. That means the current has several separate paths across the window, rather than one long path that winds from top to bottom. This design explains something drivers sometimes notice. If one line is scratched through by luggage, a cleaning tool, or damaged tint film, the whole system usually does not stop. Instead, that single track may remain cold, leaving one narrow horizontal strip of fog or frost, while the other areas clear. But why are these obvious lines normally on the rear window and not across the front windshield? The front glass sits directly in the driver's main field of view. Thick, visible tracks could create distraction and scatter light from headlights. Front windshields are also laminated and usually cleared by the car's heating and ventilation system. Some vehicles do have electrically heated front windshields, but they use specially designed fine wires or transparent conductive coatings that minimize visibility problems rather than the more obvious printed grid found on many rear windows. So those brown lines are not markings on the glass. They are separate heating circuits printed across it. When electricity flows, their resistance produces gentle heat, turning the entire rear window into a wide, nearly invisible defroster.